Hi guys, in today's video we are going to talk about another Essence product, and this time we are talking about the Essence Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel Mascara. Now this little guy is so affordable, it will cost you around $3 and I can't believe that Essence is producing such good quality products for such a low price, which also makes me curious and I wanted to try more from Essence as I believe that they are also doing good quality products. Now for today's video I'm going to share some information about the product itself. Then later on I'm going to do a little demonstration and also before and afters, and at the end also would like to share my thoughts and experience that I had with the Eyebrow Gel Mascara. Now my name is Melissa van Dijk, I'm a makeup artist and let's get started. Now here you can see a close-up of the brow gel wand and also the product itself. And I am in the shade 01 Blondie Brows, which is the lightest shade, and in total they have 3 different shades. Now it also says that this is a 3-in-1. So the first point is that it's a tinted brow gel. The second point is that your brows will stay put if you're going to use the brow gel to brush through them. And the last point is that it also has fibers included in the wand and also the product itself. If we have a closer look at the wand itself, then you will see that the fibers are basically standing away right here, but it also has a very interesting wand. It looks a little bit more like a little mascara wand, where the product gets caught into it. And this is basically what you can also use, like with the fibers, to build up your brow hairs to make them a little bit thicker and also fluffier. Now I'm going to show you how this little guy performs, because I'm going to use it now on my bare eyebrows with no pencil, nothing, so that you will see how the wand and also the product itself performs. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to brush through them with the wand itself, and what I do already love about the wand itself is that it is such a small and amazing little guy. Because of the fibers and because of the mascara wand itself, it's so easy to keep the control through your brow hairs. And because it has fibers, you can use it as many times and also go through your brows as many times as you personally want. If you want to go only once through them, then only go once through them. If you want to use it a few times because you want to build up the fluffiness of your brows, then do so, because it has the fibers which will stick to your brow hairs as well. Now with this one it will add a little tint. If you have lighter hairs, then it will darken, like with the lightest shade, it will darken your brow hairs just a tiny bit so that they're a little bit more visible. But in my case, with the darker brows, even though I have blonde hairs, it doesn't add any darker color to my brows, which I personally do love. Otherwise, sometimes it can look too dark for my personal use, and then I just feel like it's too strong. If I'm wearing no makeup or if I wear makeup, and both ways it will always look gorgeous. Also with the lasting power, this one is amazing, because once you're saying it's enough, you don't want to go through them anymore, then you're just going to let them dry and they will stay put to the direction where you're going to brush through them. And this is also something what I do enjoy, because I don't have to worry about anything with my brows, like that they are going to stand in a different way again. So with those ones I really feel confident wearing them and also apply the brow gel through my brow hairs, and it also will stay put. So what I do love is the color, I love how small the wand is, and also the lasting power. I'm really happy that I bought this little guy right here for $3 and it does such an amazing job. Now I'm also going to show you the before and after for you guys so that you will see the difference as well. Here you can see the before and after, and the brow gel just makes my brow hairs stay in place and also stay put and fill in any gaps. Now the Essence Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel Mascara is such a little gem, because you're only going to spend $3 on this product right here, and if you have your checklist in front of you and you can check that it stays put, you can also check off that it will give you a little bit of a tint, and you can also check off that it will thicken your eyebrows, and you also love my demonstration close-ups that I just showed you, then this is definitely a brow gel for you guys, as I believe you can't go wrong by spending $3 and it will do basically the same as a high-end product, and you're not going to spend $20 on it. So for me personally, I definitely can recommend this one to you guys, and I'm also getting this is also why I'm getting more curious about drugstore brands as well, because they are producing quality products on a low price, and everyone can also purchase them. So for me, definitely this one is a win. I love this one a lot, especially the tint as well. And I also wanted to ask you guys that if you have tried the Make Me Brow Gel Mascara and you want to share your experience under this video as well, so that other viewers can read it as well, then you can drop a comment down below how you feel about the product as well, so that everyone basically can share what they think about the product. And then it also will make your decision whether or not you should purchase it a little bit easier, because you hear from many people. Now, this is what I personally think about the product. This is my experience. I love it a lot. I hope that you enjoyed this review. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon in the next one. Bye!